Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Osis Guys. Today I am going to show you how to install Google Chrome in your Debian based Linux like Ubuntu, Kali Linux or Parrot Security Linux. So first of all we have to open the Firefox. Just type Google Chrome, enter google.com official website, click here, click on download Chrome 64bit.deb for Debian, Ubuntu, Kali Linux or Parrot Security. Accept and install, click here and save this file, click on OK. So Google Chrome is downloaded here, you can see. Now we have to open. I am going to minimize this. We have to open terminal, cd ls. You can see Google Chrome stable current md64.deb. Just copy this file. Now sudo dpkci, then paste that file here and hit enter. Password. Google Chrome is going to install now. Google Chrome is going to install now. It will take some time. Just reboot the system. Now you can click on application, internet. So here you can see the Google Chrome. Let's set up the Google Chrome. Okay, get started. And if you want news and translate, select those and click next. Next. No thanks. So now you can see Google Chrome is installed in Debian based Linux, Kali Linux, Ubuntu or Parrot security operating system. So you can install Google Chrome in any Debian based Linux. Thanks for watching this video.